First of all, Doctor, congratulations on the achievement.
Thank you.
May I know your name, rank achieved, batch and place you started from?
My name is Dr. Praveen Kumar Gupta, and in All India my rank was UR rank was 580, and in West Bengal PG my rank was 53, and I have opted through All India MD Pediatrics in RNT Medical College, Udaipur.
Very good, very good. How did you join IMS? Who taught you, who gave you information about it? And what has been your experience so far?
My college seniors who got selected, they have taken admission in IMS and got selected. They advised me to take admission, and if you want to take want coaching for them, they advised me just go and join IMS.
Very good. And how has been your experience?
My experience so far as for preparation guidance is very good, because almost all the subjects, very few if we left, teachers are excellent, and their guidance has very good cooperation in our studies.
Very good. What is your opinion about the faculty who taught you in the classes? Do you think they were at par, or do you think some...
No, most of them, they are very excellent, and very few teachers whose guidance was not so good, I think so.
Okay. So over and above everything, everybody was so good and nice.
All others are very excellent. Their guidance and their teaching style and all their materials which they have written by themselves, they are very good.
Okay. And if I talk about the literature of the IMS which was provided to you, what do you think? How was it, and did it really help you out?
Yes, for the whole year I have revised the same material which is provided by the IMS, and actually they are made by the teachers themselves, so there is a very good correlation between the teachers studying in class and the IMS. We have not to write down it everything is written in the notes. What extra points they add on notes, so it was a complete, and at last moment there is a very good thing for revise.
Okay, so in that way it was really helpful.
Yes.
Okay, very good. What is your view about the various test sessions and the online test and maybe the FTS and other test sessions that you attend?
I have joined the FTS because I was in the regular class. So FTS was good, but the paper was too lengthy, because in All India we get 3 hours, but in here get only 3 hours, and the questions are more lengthy, so it takes more time. So in all time, somehow my 50 to 40 questions were left in each FTS, but otherwise the questions quality was very good, because they make new questions.
Okay.
And that is the point we get very helpful for our coaching.
Okay, very good. If I talk about the group discussion part, do you think it was really helpful after the post FTS sessions?
It was really helpful, but as I was in regular class, so the same teachers were, so we didn't need so much group discussion, because whatever confusion if we made, we can clear it in our class session also.
Okay. So it was really helpful. In other words, you're trying to say that if you are in a regular batch, you get more advantage in comparison to people who are doing otherwise, different other courses.
Yes.
So you suggest to the new aspirants that they should go in for regular courses?
Yes, regular course is more beneficial.
How?
Because the whole subject is provided by a single teacher, and it gives a good basic and good concept regarding that subject. If any confusion, you can clear that from the whole content. You can clear it with the same teacher. So at the last time when we go to for examination, you have a good grip on the whole subject.
So that way it really helps, huh?
Yes.
Okay, very good. One single statement that would you say for IMS study material and the coaching, how is it? So one single statement I would like.
I would prefer that if anyone wants coaching for PG, that IMS is the best solution.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Wish you all the best for the future. Thank you.